crew, please arm your slide. 5 minutes. At this moment, please direct your attention to your cabin crew, who will be demonstrating to you the safety features of this aircraft. Each of your seat is provided with a seat belt to fasten push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end to unfasten, lift up a buckle and pull free end to release. In case of a water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip the vest over the head. Take tapes around the waist and push ends to buckle. Now pull the tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate the vest. Manual inflation is done by the means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air and push pins inward to release the air. Light will automatically illuminate once the battery tab is immersed in water. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft, and please be reminded that an unauthorized removal of life vest is punishable by law. In case of a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, remove your face mask, then put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others and keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of an emergency evacuation, just follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with the emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location and the nearest exits may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave your bags behind and proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. These safety protocols are meant to ensure compliance to the existing regulations and to provide a pleasant experience in flight. Your safety and comfort are of utmost priority, and we wish everyone an enjoyable flight.
Sir.
Once again, this is your Cebu Pacific Air Flight 5J840, and we are bound for Zamboanga. Welcome aboard.
Sir, stop po muna natin, sir, after take-off na.
We are about to take off. Straighten up your seats. Fasten seatbelts securely. Keep window shades open and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.